What is syntax in programming?
Imagine you're baking a cake. You have all the ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. But if you just mix them all together without following a recipe, you might end up with a big mess. A recipe is like the syntax of a program. It tells you the order in which to do things and the rules you need to follow. In programming, syntax is the set of rules that determine how the code should be written. For example, in the programming language Python, you might write a line of code like this. This line of code tells the computer to print the message, "Hello, world," on the screen. The order of the words and the punctuation are important. If you write it like this, the computer won't understand it because it doesn't follow the correct syntax. So, just like a recipe tells you how to make a cake, syntax tells the computer how to write code. If you don't follow the syntax rules, the computer won't be able to understand your instructions.